He was?
It wasted all my CO2. That's why I was shooting so low. I'm gonna put my mag in my pistol. Because you're allowed to.
You what?
You're allowed to put your mag in the pistol. As long as it's holstered.
I'm gonna keep this right here on my hat, so maybe the sweat won't.
Oh yeah. Hopefully.
Look like a big dork.
No, I do.
No.
I look scary with all my gear.
This is the rain.
Ben? Oh my god.
What?
This is what ironic.
So far, has that been a pretty good gun?
Yeah. Last weekend it wasn't running that good.
It wasn't?
I couldn't see. I couldn't see where my rounds were going. That's why I just gave it. I was like,
Yeah.
I just took the opportunity to run up close to people.
Yeah. Here, put it the mag facing down. It'll get the BBs. Unless it's fully full of BBs.
It is full B.
It won't matter.
All right, guys, listen up. If you're under the age of 18, I want you to raise your hand. We got a whole bunch of youngsters out here. All right. Thank you. All right. As you walk by here, make sure you raise your gun up to where we can see your chrono tag. If you do not have a chrono tag, with the exception of rentals, okay, we don't put chrono tags on rentals. We're going to send you back, okay? So if you didn't get chronoed, you might have to sit out the first game unless they're still chronoing up there, all right? All right, come on in. Green team, you're mid-ground respawn. Blue team, you're up front. All right.
No, what would happen to girls with
Okay, so Big Town and Big Hills. Blue's right here. So you want
Hey, Izzy, go ahead.
Logan!
Kind of walk that way with him.
Oh.
Might be some people that don't know.
Oh, I didn't even know we could do that.
Hey, Izzy. It's not the guard check anymore.
Ooh,
You gotta hurried yourself.
that would have been bad for someone.
Make sure this thing's still beating right.
Is that the lightweight?
Yeah, thank God.
Wait, how
But
much was that?
250. I balanced it out though with the steel plates.
Why didn't you get the? Is it metal?
No,
Plastic?
it's a polymer.
Isn't this the $80 sniper that everybody's like?
No, this is 200.
Oh. I saw like a $80 sniper, and apparently everybody's freaking out about it.
It's an okay gun. The $80 one.
First game.
Because like it's range, but its quality isn't that good.
Right.
Huh.
Do you want to go?
Just follow me.
I don't know what comms are even running. I got a comms rig on, but I don't even have it plugged in or messed with. I don't know what everybody else is running.
Yeah.
We're on 2, but every now and then you hear somebody else get on the channel. Is yours encrypted?
To be honest, right?
No. Yeah, so there's a chance you could be on somebody else's phone.
Alright, we're gonna go on that path and flank.
Can we do that now?
Yeah. I did it last time when I was here.
Does it? It doesn't go past the.
No.
Hey, you just grab it on the way out.
I'm fucking lazy. Take that off. You might be out there. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna leave it. Down in there pretty well. If I do lose it, I'm not sweating it. Man, look at that thing. That's a laser for a stock gun.
What is it?
It's just a Matrix Race Star.
Well, I've never heard of that.
And an e-bike as a box of awesome.
Oh, okay.
So, because I
Working out well?
Do it.
Working out well?
This is my first time to field it.
Ah.
But like, man, it was almost shooting 400 out of the box.
Oh, dang. That's pretty good.
And for a barrel that long.
Yeah, for a little SMG style.
And you can feel the weight on it actually.
Dang, that's light.
It's
this thing's heavy.
Because I typically run the board, right?
Yeah.
So it's kind of weird because I'm used to having all my weight back here. So we'll see if I might just be like a big bumbling idiot.
Yeah.
Yes, James.
Yeah, my grand prize in that box was a pistol. It hasn't been released yet, apparently.
What was it?
Dan Wesson, 1911.
Hmm.
Like full metal. I don't have it out. I haven't chronoed it yet.
I got an Elite Force 1911.
Yeah, it's a TM, so. Which I just bought myself a nice 1911, so I was kind of pissed that it's like, oh man.
Yeah.
I wanted a saw.
Right? Not the lightweight one. I don't want that lightweight one. I'd break that.
Oh. Every machine gun is destined to be HPA at some point.
Yeah.
But
I mean, we got a slug already.
what I really want is a Scar H. But
Yeah.
they're impossible to find without spending, you know,
A couple $100.
bucks on them.
Yeah. I got a Lancer Tactical M4.
How do you like it? I've heard mixed things on Lancer Tactical. But
Yeah. I fell. Broke it. It's fixed now. Got some upgrades in it, and it's bad.
Yeah,
It's
I mean, they're good. They're good boxes.
yes.
You know, so a lot of people like.
They're good straight out of the box, but if you fall as hard as I do, yeah.
Yeah, because a lot of people are complaining about this. They're like, well, it doesn't have this high-end thing, this high-end thing. Like, it's a $200 gun, dude.
Yeah, I mean.
It's not gonna have, you know, electronic triggers and all that shit.
Yeah.
That's kind of weird.
I greased it, so it's a little
Is it?
smoother. Yeah. This is a long way out, though.
For the glory, bro.
I'm not gonna kill myself on the first game.
Yeah.
Somebody already over there?
Yeah.
In the house?
Yeah. Hey, to our left.
You mean right?
Is this shooting? Okay.
That would be your left.
It would be my left. Right here.
In the house?
Yeah, in that little house over there. You see him?
I got it. I see that American fucker over there.
Here, watch out, I'm gonna look.
Right side of that building. Is anybody in main building?
No.
There you go.
Their flag's up. Go. I'd go get it.
Cover, cover, cover. Hold on.
There's one dude.
I got him.
Come on, Steve.
There ain't no way I'm not hitting that fucking guy.
Got him. What? Why does my gun keep on going on the safe? We don't want that. We want to kill some people. I saw a dude walking right there from that window.
Reloading.
Alright. Oh, I got a gun hit.
Just lighting their ass.
Yeah.
I love the smoke. Make sure nobody gets us from the right.
That's what I'm watching.
Forward.
My forward, you're right. Hey, there's a dude hiding.
Yeah, he's over there inside the building.
Yeah. Got one in the neck.